Most people are terrible at using AI, and it's not their fault. Want to make AI work better for you? Here's the thing. AI is incredibly powerful, a truly transformative tool. But most people are getting mediocre results. They type in vague, one-line requests and wonder why the output is disappointing, often generic or off-topic. It's like trying to give directions to someone who doesn't know your neighborhood. If you're not specific and detailed, you simply won't get where you want to go. The good news? The solution isn't learning to code or becoming a tech expert. The solution is understanding prompt engineering, a practical skill. And today I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. I'm here with TekkoMind, and by the end of this video, you'll know how to craft prompts that consistently deliver precise, high-quality results every time. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something super cool and useful, prompt engineering. Now don't let the fancy name scare you. Think of it like this. You know how sometimes you ask Google a question and it gives you exactly what you need, and other times it gives you a bunch of stuff that's not helpful at all? Prompt engineering is all about learning how to ask questions in a way that gets you the best answers from AI tools like ChatGPT. It's kind of like being a detective. You need to know how to ask the right questions to get the clues you need. And trust me, once you get good at this, it's a game changer for everything from writing emails to coming up with new ideas. So, let's jump right in. Let's see this in action. Imagine you need to write a marketing email. Most people would simply prompt, "Write a marketing email for my product." This vague instruction often leads to generic, uninspired content. Here's what you should do instead. Act as an experienced email marketing specialist. Write a 150-word promotional email for busy small business owners who have shown interest in productivity software. The email should highlight 3 key benefits of our project management tool, use a conversational but professional tone, and include a clear call to action. Here's an example of our brand voice. Insert example. The subject line should create urgency without being pushy. See the profound difference? The first prompt yields bland, unhelpful copy. The second provides a highly targeted email that speaks directly to your audience's needs, ensuring better engagement and results. The key is always being specific about what you want, who it's for, and precisely how it should sound. This detail truly unlocks the AI's full potential. Now, let's look at another real-world example. Analyzing data with AI. Imagine you have a spreadsheet full of sales numbers and want to quickly find trends or insights. A basic prompt might be, "Analyze this data and tell me what you see." This usually leads to a vague summary that doesn't really help you make decisions. Instead, try this. Act as a business analyst, review the sales data for the past year, identify the top 3 sales trends, any seasonal patterns, and suggest one actionable recommendation to increase sales next quarter. With this detailed prompt, the AI can provide a focused analysis, highlight key trends, and offer practical advice you can use right away. Again, the more specific you are about your goals and the context, the more valuable the AI's response will be. And that wraps up our deep dive into prompt engineering. I hope you now have a much clearer understanding of what it is, why it's important, and most importantly, how to do it effectively using the CLEAR method. Remember, prompt engineering isn't just a technical skill. It's about clear communication. It's about learning how to ask the right questions to get the best answers, not just from AI, but in life in general. By mastering the CLEAR method, context, length, example, action, and role, you'll unlock the incredible power of AI tools and make them work smarter for you. Whether you're writing, brainstorming, learning, or creating, good prompts will save you time, improve your results, and even spark your own creativity. So go forth and prompt with confidence. Experiment, iterate, and have fun with it. The more you practice, the better you'll become. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Let me know in the comments what other AI topics you'd like me to cover. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.